There's a place for everyone at Summer of Summit. If you're interested in student leadership, filmmaking, computer programming, working on projects and playlists, improv, boot camp, college essay writing, student ambassadors, internships, community service projects, whatever it is, Summer of Summit has a spot for you. But don't take our word for it. Listen to what your peers have to say.
I recommend this Summer of Summit this year because it was a great help. I really enjoyed it. We had fun activities. Last year, every Friday, we used to have barbecue. That was real fun, and we just had a little break with the teachers. That was cool, and that was cool.
It was nice because it wasn't the everyday teacher that we had our expeditions teachers. So it was nice to meet them kind of before we started our expeditions.
Yeah.
And they were actually really cool. I thought they were going to be like really strict and like, oh, you have to do everything now and you have like all these responsibilities. But they were like really nice and laid back, and they didn't really push you. They kind of just gave you the help you needed and then sat back and like watched you do it by yourself.
This class, we get to choose our own project. So for the past 5 weeks, we've done projects chosen by our teacher, Mr. Pelletier. And now we have the ability to choose the one we like the most and then use our abilities to create movies to create that.
The teachers here, they give us a chance to look at the work we can do ahead of time. And I realized next year we're doing all my favorite history subjects. So I figured not only to get it out of the way and just do it over the summer, but it would give me a great chance to learn more about all my favorite subjects.
It's a good thing. It won't only help you like catch up your work, but you will learn a lot of new things from your teachers, like classes. You'll be prepared. Like for English class, for me, now it's easier like to write my essays because like I know how to write topic, sentence, and all that to the end. And before I didn't used to, so that's why I wouldn't finish my projects. But now I'm like really prepared for it. So I'm good with my stuff now.
I'd say definitely consider it, because I mean, if you have nothing else to do during your summer, it's a great place to be. You can build all sorts of great relationships with other students. I met this one really great guy, JC. He went to Summit, I go to Everest, so it's like we wouldn't have crossed paths otherwise. And he was a really friendly dude and just awesome to be friends with. And a few of the teachers that are at Summit were really cool, and I got to develop relationships with them, so that was really awesome. Yeah.
Summer of Summit is a time to try out new activities. Check out the full course list offering at tinyurl.com/SOS courses. You'll design your own personalized schedule with your mentor. The more weeks you come, the more activities you can participate in. And the whole program is free with breakfast and lunch included. Sign up now at tinyurl.com/summerofsummit.